Hi girls, it's been a long while since I recorded my last video. Hope you all are doing well and being beautiful, being lovely. I'm recording this video today to share with you my Body Shop empties in the month of May and June. So these are all the empties. I'll share about them, my reviews, my opinions. Of course, that can vary from your opinion, but this is typically only my opinion. Let's start. So the first product that I want to talk about is the Vitamin E Gentle Face Wash. This one is a very mild formula. This specifically is for dry skin or for the winter season. As it says, it's creamy daily cleanser that rinses away makeup and impurities to leave skin feeling silky soft. Yeah, that's true. It really cleanses your face very much. The creamy formula in here does help removing all the makeup and impurities from your face. A little bit of it really works on cleaning your face. It's a very light formula, makes your skin feel soft and clean. Next product that I have here, which is again an empty, is Ginger Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. This one is flake clearing scalp soothing shampoo with refreshing ginger extract. It really feels like ginger when you are using this. It lathers very well. You can feel the fragrance is totally ginger in here. It's a very effective formula, really works very well in removing all the dandruff from your scalp, helps on the itchiness out of dandruff. Me and my husband both have been using this for a long while, and it's one of our favorite shampoos for all time. The next product that I have here is the Rainforest Moisture Shampoo. This is specifically for the dry hair. This has 2 oils and honey in it. This is for the dry and frizzy hair. Honey works on bringing shine to your hair or skin wherever you apply it. It nourishes your hair very nicely, and it is an SLS free formula. Really a nice one if you have dry and frizzy hair, you want to give moisture to your hair while you're washing them. This is one product you should go for. The next product that I have here is the Chamomile Gentle Makeup Facial Makeup Remover. This one again is a very nice formula, very light water-based product, and this really cleanses your makeup. Like if you have eye makeup, kajal or whatever on it, you need to rub it a little bit, take it on the cotton pad and use it to remove your makeup. A little amount of this is required, but you need a little rubbing as well. It's not very effective, I would say. So I have actually replaced it with another one, so this is not one I have repurchased. The next thing I have here is the Strawberry Body Polish. This is a wow product. This really is a wow product. I think this was one of their best sellers from Bath range. This is an exfoliating body polisher kind of a product. The fragrance is to die for. You literally feel like it's some strawberry jam, feel like eating it. I have finished every bit of it. It's actually already been repurchased. It's one of my favorites again from the Body Shop. Month was very bad. I actually finished all of my favorites this month. So this is a very nice body polisher. You should try it if you haven't till now. The next product that I have here is my top most favorite from the Body Shop. Yes, this is the one. This is the Spa Fit Smoothing and Refining Body Scrub. This is an amazing scrub. Trust me, girls. The packaging is beautiful. The product is beautiful. I have finished every bit of it from it. This is a very creamy scrub, removes the dead skin, and helps on your under skin growth, the dark skin areas. It's best scrub you can ever use. And if you are a dry skin person, you should not be hesitant in buying this. It doesn't dry out your skin, moisturizes it, gives you a good fragrance for some time. Really, really, really the best product, the best body scrub ever. So these are all the products that I had. I hope you liked the video. Let me know your reviews on these products. Thank you.